Is it on? Hey, my name is Nikki Kaiser and I'm with Honest Health and Wellness. Go to nikkikaiser.com if you want to find out more health tips, nutrition tips, fitness tips, and you just want a good positive place to go. So today we're going to be making a brain energy smoothie, and this is one of my favorite things that I've been doing lately because it's light, a light meal to start your day out. It's easy for your body to digest the nutrients, very quick and simple to make. So first thing you do is, I already made one here this morning, so we're going to do another one. And you just take a liquid, it can be water, it can be almond milk, you can do coconut milk, and you do 1/3 of a cup to 1/2 a cup. Then what you want to do is, this is the fun part about it too, is the fact that you can mix it up. So do 1 to 2 cups of veggies, and then you do 1 cup of fruit. And so today what I'm gonna do, because I really love the taste of cucumbers, so I'm gonna do 1 full cucumber. And then as far as brain foods, so you can use coconut oil, you can use walnuts, you can do avocado. So there's my 1 cucumber. Then I'm gonna do some spinach. Spinach is really nice to use because it's got a ton of nutrients in it, and spinach is very easy to hide the flavor in your smoothie. Then you do 1 cup of fruit, and blueberries have a ton of antioxidants in them, and they're super, super good for your brain. They also have a great taste. I love blueberries. So I'm gonna do 1 cup of those blueberries. Then, like I was talking about before, what I like for my healthy fats is doing coconut oil. Again, so good for your brain. So you just do 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, roughly. And then I'm going to do, so this is where we really beef up our smoothie, right? And so I'm doing turmeric, which is also another brain food. So what it helps with, it's a very potent inflammatory, anti-inflammatory. So it's a good anti-inflammatory for your gut, it's good anti-inflammatory for your brain. A lot of the stuff that we eat in our everyday life, like processed foods and anything that has added sugars in it, that ends up inflaming our gut, our brain. It makes us, if you've ever felt that foggy feeling before, that is a lot of the times what it's associated with. And so just a very small amount of turmeric. And then the other thing I'm going to put in here, which is one of my favorite things to do, is matcha. Actually, let me show this to you. Just pick it up. They have this matcha powder at a lot of your local grocery stores. And so you just do 1 teaspoon of matcha powder. So it's got obviously caffeine in it. It's a green tea. But the thing about this has amazing anti-cancer properties to it. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of mint. So a few mint leaves for some flavor. It smells so good. And then I was thinking about lemon, so you can get creative with it. You could do a splash of lemon in there as well. But this is what I'm gonna go with. And then just pop it on here. You might wanna mute your sound because it's gonna be loud for a second. Probably do like 10 seconds or so of grinding it up, and then literally there's your smoothie. I can already guarantee you that it's going to taste delicious, and it does. So look at that. Look at how easy that was for me to create a breakfast, something that was easier, something that was, I mean, just simple, easy, healthy. And this is, our body likes lighter meals in the morning. It doesn't bog us down. we don't get that groggy, bogged down feeling. But anyways, I hope that you liked this. Please comment, like, share with somebody that you know this would benefit, and stop by my site at any point. Find free tools that I have always, and I hope you have a wonderful day, my friend.